Hoh Rainforest.
H-O-H.
H-O-H.
Not like Hohs. Yeah. You ever been to a rainforest before?
Never been to a rainforest before.
It's gonna be pretty sweet, man. It's like the only rainforest in the continental United States.
The rainforest of the U.S.
Rainforest.
A couple other small ones nearby, it sounds like, but
Yeah, but this is gonna be the one. Like you go into museums, public museums or natural history museums, they'll usually have like a little section that says the Hoh Rainforest. And
nice.
yeah, it's gonna be everything they think. We're gonna go on the Hall of Mosses trail, and we're gonna do the shit, I forget the name of the other trail. Yeah, I don't know. We'll try to see a beach after that. We will see the mountains from there.
good deal.
All right, here we are. We made it to the Olympic National Park, Hoh Rainforest. Unfortunately, the main section was closed. So we had to kind of find our own way, make our own path. To check out stuff today here, but obviously it's worth it. They said there's too much snow. I don't know about you, Zach, but in Wisconsin we don't call this too much snow.
This is hiking weather.
This is a little dusting. There are little pansies out here. Can't take any snow. So we're not letting it stop us. We're gonna go check out some of this a little ways. Then we're gonna see if the rainforest a little bit further south is open, or at least enough that we can kind of see some cool stuff. Look how much moss is just covering the ground on these. I mean, this is an old tree branch, or old tree trunk. Look at that. The green is just awesome, how it comes through the light. It looks like there's a green filter on the world in here, doesn't it? Oh, look at this one. This little tree growing out of this old tree, but it's already taken over by moss. Look at this old tree trunk here is now a tree nursery. You can see these little ones growing up out of these logs here. And that's what's gonna, become the next generation of forest. I really like how these big ones, they got the moss growing on all these sections where the branches have been taken off. But yeah, unfortunately, there's not much for us to do in this one today. Just kind of looking around the wilderness because the real trails are closed. We're gonna try another spot though. So we got a ways to go back. Probably stop at the beach on the way there. All right, cool. Let's do it.